That's good to speak?
Yeah, just the next.
Okay.
1-2 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you very much for inviting me here. It's a great pleasure to speak and sit with the people who are really struggling for their freedom, which is very important thing. Or if we see it now, when I see the Albert Einstein Institution, the Jenny Sharp wrote an article. It was about the from dictatorship to democracy, where she tells that the democratic forces should block the path of intervention for the people, for the institutions who are not democratic, and try to rule the countries, especially like Pakistan, where Pakistani rulers, I have found them, which is mentioned that these articles, they actually follow very keenly and observe that, because Pakistan's type of intervention is entirely different. You people have spoken a lot about the Kashmir struggle, about the freedom, and so many things about the Kashmir. But about the Pakistan state structure, which is not discussed widely here, which is like I remember, the Dr. Ambedkar's book on history, which was actually published in 1942, where he was actually the chairperson of First Constituent Assembly of Constituent Committee of India, and he drafted the Indian Constitution, which is a very important document till today for India, in which he told that he actually suggested to Indians, to British, that the army that they have generated, the army that they have recruited, 25% from Punjab, similar from Potwar areas, similar, from Bengal and UP areas. He said that this army which has been created, what will you do with this army? What will happen if the whole India is left as it is? What will happen to it? That let's give one country to this army and then leave the rest as democratic. Nehru and Jinnah both actually, had a big respect for him, and they actually thought him a very authentic opinion maker and sort of a lawmaker, because he actually drafted the constitution. So that is how the Pakistan has got today the military's intervention, continuous rule of the military, from whom these Pakistanis and Kashmiris both are actually looking the freedom from them. Both either they are Kashmiris or they are from Pakistan, because everyone is ultimately looking at the power, which is lying in the hands of those people who are not democratic, who are not actually, their institution has never have any feeling of democratic and accountability. So this is something that we should understand when we talk about Pakistan, when we are asking our rights from them, that what is happening there and what is ultimately the state structure is, how the institutions are formed there and how they disrupt the rights of the people. So that is something that need to be understood as well when we talk about our other freedom struggle. Thank you very much.